I'm going to show you guys how to TIG weld 18 gauge stainless steel exhaust tubing. Scotch-Brite your seams. Then let's acetone all of our seams. Large gas lens for maximum shielding. Use a 2% thoriated tungsten sharpened to a point. Pull your tungsten out about a 1/2 inch. Amperage 50. Post flow 10 seconds. CFM 25. Here I'm tacking up the pieces, usually about 4 tacks per seam. Let's get the back purge set up. 035 Super Missile welding rod. Set the back purge to 5 for this small part. Okay, when we're welding, we're gonna wanna move the nozzle in a straight line. Don't do anything funky with it, and dip straight into the puddle, and don't pull the filler out too far or it can oxidize. A clean, strong gold color with evenly spaced start and stop.